So we are doing an unboxing today. I got a bunch of packages in and I wanted to show you guys what I got. So this is from Gold Blush. I'm so excited. This is so freaking cute. It's a little keychain that you can attach to your bag. But look, it's a lip balm holder and they gave you a lip balm with it. Boop. Look at that. So this print came with vanilla latte. Then I got this little bag from Gold Blush. I love the color so much. It's like a dusty rose color. So cute. You can put your ID in the back. You don't have to take it out. I'm going to do full videos and reviews on these. It comes with a strap. Let me know after the video is over what you guys are most excited to see a video on. Next is a new microphone. I ordered them. I have a little microphone, but I don't think it attaches to me. And I don't know, I've had it for a while. I really wanted another one. This one looks amazing. I've seen people review it. It casts out all the background noise and you just hear your voice. So if you have kids running around and stuff like that, this is a good microphone. Another Gold Blush package. Okay. I got the Gold Blush, you know, the bum bag that I showed you that people pull milk out of. I got it in this color. Guys, come on. This one is always sold out. Everybody wants this pattern and it matches my little chapstick holder. I can attach it. How freaking cute. Not only do they have such cute bags, but they have accessories for it. So I got chains. You can decorate your bags with it. This is the gold one. You could attach it like this. Look at that. You can hang it off the bag. How freaking cute is that? It's very lightweight. And I got this iridescent one because I wanted to use it on any color bag that I have. I thought this has every little color of the rainbow in it. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, and it's so lightweight. I really thought they were going to be heavy. No, they're lightweight just like the bags. And in the same print, I got the same little bag as this one. I got another bag like this, only in this color. Again, you could put your ID. It comes with a strap if you don't want to carry a big bag. And come on, with the print. Oh, love it. I've been wanting these Birkenstocks in this pink color for a while and I finally caved and got them. It's like a perfect bubblegum pink. You guys know it's my favorite color. Look how beautiful they are. My Buff Bunny hoodie just came. Look at this color green. I cannot wait to rock this baby. It's perfect for spring. I love bright colors. Look at this color. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to wear this. Okay. And you guys know I'm a cleaning fanatic. So I saw this cleaning bundle and I had to grab it. This is the Brazilian Waves scent. This is the mop soap. I mop my house with this scent. It is amazing. It smells like you're on a vacation and when people walk into your house, this is what they smell. It lasts when you mop your floor with this. So the Brazilian Waves smells so good. So this is a multi-purpose cleaner. This is a room spray and it comes with the little spray tops. Everyone's gonna ask you what the smell is. I'm so excited for it too because I've been waiting for this one. No luck, just God. How beautiful is this? Oh my goodness gracious. Everything is in my showcase, by the way, and I'm gonna be doing reviews and videos on these. I also got this little bag of mini crosses. They come in all different colors. I just wanted to get these because I love to leave things like this around the locker room at the gym. You never know who needs a little pick-me-up. You could leave this anywhere. Then I got this cute little blue romper. I can't wait to put this on. Oh, it's so lightweight and soft. Look at that. So soft. It's definitely softer than I expected. And I got this romper. It's floral and it's pants. You know, you need some versatility. And last but not least, I got this little set. Look at this with the shorts. Ready? It's pearls. And of course it's pink. Look at the top. And the sleeves have the pearls too. How gorgeous is this? Comment down below what you're most excited to see and what you're ready to grab.